Hey guys, welcome back. The backpack sprayer is a user-friendly, essential tool for gardeners, landscapers, pest control professionals, and homeowners seeking a weed and insect-free outdoor space. However, there are many products available to choose backpack sprayer, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a research on the internet and compiled a list of the best backpack sprayer from a couple of brands. After completing the research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. To know more about these products, please be sure to check out the description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. PetraTools 4-Gallon Backpack Sprayer. The PetraTools Backpack Sprayer is a reliable and efficient choice for users needing to cover large areas. Capable of operating up to 8 hours on a single charge while maintaining a constant pressure of 70 pounds per square inch, it is ideal for extensive tasks. The 4-gallon translucent tank minimizes the need for frequent refills and allows users to monitor liquid levels easily. Padded shoulder straps and a wide-mouth lid enhance comfort and reduce spills, ensuring the operator can work comfortably throughout the day. The low-profile tank and well-padded shoulder straps provide a balanced and comfortable experience for shorter tasks. However, the thin nylon waist belt offers only lateral stabilization without relieving shoulder pressure, making it less suitable for prolonged use. The pump operates quickly and quietly, performing nearly as well as higher-end models at a significantly lower price. Number 2. DB Smithfield King Backpack Sprayer. The DB Smithfield King 190328 Backpack Sprayer is a professional-grade tool designed for efficiency and comfort. Its exclusive no-leak pump ensures a dry back and clothing, while internal paddles keep liquids, powders, and solutions well mixed and ready to spray. The pump features Vuitton seals, which can be replaced in minutes without tools, up to 7 times faster than competitors. This sprayer can reach up to 150 psi, making it ideal for hard-to-reach areas, while the pressure regulator maintains a steady 25 psi for herbicides and weed killers. The premium shutoff includes a comfort grip, lockable trigger to reduce hand fatigue, and a removable inline filter to prevent clogging. The tank features a built-in carry handle and wand storage for convenience. Adjustable padded straps, a waist belt, and a chest cinch strap ensure comfort during use. The sprayer comes with multiple nozzles for versatility, a brass adjustable nozzle, high-volume wide fan, jet stream, and foaming. It also accepts T-jet nozzles for added flexibility. Number 3. Chapin 4-Gallon Manual Backpack Sprayer. The Chapin Backpack Sprayer is an affordable option designed to minimize mess during filling, thanks to its large 5-inch diameter tank opening. Weighing approximately 9 pounds when empty, it features adjustable padded shoulder straps to support the weight of a full tank. The adjustable brass spray nozzle allows users to switch between a fine mist and a coarse stream, offering versatility for different tasks. With a maximum PSI of 60, this sprayer requires manual pumping to maintain pressure during use. During testing, it became clear that Chapin prioritized tank and pump quality over the harness system to maintain a budget-friendly price. The manual pump and tank system performed well, proving easy to use and efficiently designed. The spray tip exhibited minimal dripping after the trigger was released, showcasing its reliability. Number 4. PetraTools HD 5000 Battery-Powered Backpack Sprayer. The PetraTools Backpack Sprayer is a professional-grade tool designed for efficiency and versatility. Its 6.5-gallon tank and rugged steel cart make it easy to transport from a vehicle to the work site, while the 100-foot hose allows users to treat large areas without moving the sprayer. The battery-powered unit offers a base pressure of 70 pounds per square inch, which can be adjusted to meet specific needs, making it suitable for a variety of tasks over long workdays. This convertible backpack cart sprayer excels in both intensive and dispersed applications. During testing, the 6.5-gallon tank proved too heavy for backpack use when fully filled, but was well suited for cart mode. The transition between backpack and cart configurations was quick and straightforward. The pump delivered consistent pressure, effectively applying common lawn and garden chemicals, and the wand operated without dripping. While the sprayer's design and functionality are impressive, the weight of the fully filled tank limits its practicality in backpack mode. Number 5. My 4 Sons M4 4-Gallon Battery-Powered Backpack Sprayer. The My 4 Sons Backpack Sprayer is a high-end product with a price to match, offering advanced features for optimal performance. It includes a variable pressure switch, allowing users to adjust output pressure to suit specific needs, and comes with multiple nozzles for versatility across different tasks. The battery-powered sprayer features a motorized pump that maintains consistent pressure between 40 and 60 psi, enabling horizontal spray distances of up to 30 feet when used with the correct nozzle and angle. However, the sprayer will not operate unless the battery is charged, even if the 4-gallon tank is full. During testing, the MyForson sprayer impressed with its sturdy build and thoughtful design. The low-profile tank and thickly padded shoulder straps provided exceptional comfort, balance, and maneuverability. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel. For more information or to check out product prices, take a look at the description below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment.